Hi, my name is Lola. I made up the show character thing. I don't know, but I'm gonna have my own show. It's gonna be pretty cool, people. I have no idea. But maybe. Christmas troll. I've always wondered something. Why do trolls have butt cracks? Just why? I don't have many friends, so it's kind of sad. But maybe this will make me pretty popular. I'm gonna do something really cool. Hey. I bet nobody can do this in the whole world. Nobody. What about this? This? What is this? Oh my gosh. What you wanna do? Yeah. So, yeah. It's pretty much nothing else to do in this crazy place. So, I'm gonna have to make new episodes. Peace! Wait.